5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. One right, very long. Opens 30. One left tightens. 30. 4 left, don't cut. Into 3 right. Into caution, don't cut. 3 left. 50 over crest. 1 right tightens. Opens into turn unseen. Don't cut. 1 left tightens. And 3 right. Into 2 left. Into 3 right. Opens into 1 left tightens. And turn 3 right. Into turn immediate for left of a crest. Opens long, don't cut, tightens 2. Into cut maybe 4 right. 30. 3 left. Into 3 right. Opens 30. Open hairpin right. Into 3 left. Into 5 right. Into 4 left, very long. Opens 30. 3 right. Into 3 left. Into turn 2 right. Opens into 4 left. Opens very long. Tightens over crest. Into 3 right long. Don't cut. Opens. Into 2 left. Tightens, don't cut. Into 6 right. And 3 left, don't cut through narrow grid. Opens over crest. Into 6 right over crest. Into 3 left long. Tightens, don't cut. Into 6 right. Into don't cut 4 left. Into 5 right. 20. 4 left. Into slow. 2 right. Very long. Opens over crest. Into 4 left. Slow 20. Keep right over crest. Turn unseen. Open hairpin left. 3 right over crest. Into 5 left. 30. 4 left long tightens. Into 6 right. And 6 left. Into 2 right tightens. Into 2 left tightens. Into 4 right. Opens over crest. Into 6 left long. Into 5 right long. Tightens 3. Into 5 left, don't cut. And keep right over 30. 6 left over crest long. Tightens 3, don't cut. Into 1 right. Into don't cut 3 left. 20. 6 right. Into slow 1 left tightens. Into 1 right tightens. Open 60 over crest and finish 70 to stop.